Hello everyone, I'm Aaron from DataStax, and today I'm going to take you through alerts and notifications with Mission Control. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is to sign in to Mission Control. All right, so I have my snakes and arrows cluster, and I can see that it's all running okay. What I'm going to do is go down to this bell down here, which is the alert button. And if I click that, I get options for alert settings, a new alert, and then view current alerts. Well, if I say view current alerts, well, there really aren't any. I mean, this is a test cluster. Nothing's going to break too much with it. But I can go to alerts and notifications here and actually see a lot of the default alerts that kind of come with Mission Control. So what I'm going to do is actually create a new one. So let's say new alert. So let's actually start down here. Now we'll say free disk space below 5%. All right, and then for alert description, I can say available disk space is lower than 5% on device. And here I can inject the, device name. You know, if you have more than one drive or device available on your nodes, I'll say of node labels. Oh, right, that's got to be plural. Let me get that back there. Okay, and then labels dot host. And then you can say boom. All right. So for our alert expression, remember that Mission Control leverages Prometheus, so we can build our alert expression and conditions using the PromQL language. So let's go ahead and just say max by, and then let's say host and device, and then we'll say host. Love the autocomplete here. File system used ratio. That's the one I want. And we'll say that's greater than 0.95. So if we've used more than 95% of our disk, I want to throw a critical alert because in Cassandra, DataStax Enterprise, HCD, that's really, really bad. You want to make sure that you know about that. All right, so I will create that alert. All right, and you can see that our new critical alert of free disk space below 5% is indeed down here. All right, so now let's have a little bit of a look at notifications. Mission Control allows integration with Slack. And here, you know, we have a recipient set up for the Mission Control team, then kind of a, like a new recipient just to kind of show how it works. You know, essentially, if I wanted to say add recipient, and we'll say, this is going to be for the Cassandra support team, and that's going to go to the, pound Cassandra -alerts channel. How to, I can notify every, three times every hour. I can customize that. The other thing that I can do is I can also say, hey, maybe we want to add, the overall database team, not just the Cassandra team. So we'll say database team, just so that they're aware, and we can say pound database support. And for them, maybe we only want to, since not all of the database team cares what goes on, with Cassandra infrastructure. So, maybe we'll only notify them once every hour and just kind of call it at that. If you want to learn more about Mission Control and alerts and notifications, you can check out the Mission Control documentation, where it has all kinds of information on the default alerts, how to modify, and more of what you can do here. If you want to learn more about Prometheus and the PromQL language, there's a whole bunch of documentation out here on the Prometheus site, so I highly encourage you to check that out because that'll help you build your own queries. You know, especially the section they have here on query examples is really useful. All right, and of course, if you want to know and understand the metrics that are available, do check out the actual official Cassandra documentation because here you have a list of all of the metrics that are available that you can build your own custom alerts on. For more information on mission control itself, be sure to check out datastax.com/products/mission-control. Here you can find everything you need from documentation to downloads. Thank you, and have a great day.